Meet Bob, a dedicated field service technician who spends countless hours driving between jobs, diligently serving customers in need. Bob relies on his trusty notebook to jot down important notes and job details throughout the day. However, Bob's work doesn't end there. When he returns to the office, he faces the daunting task of transferring all his handwritten notes into an Excel spreadsheet. Unfortunately, Bob struggles with Excel and finds the process to be time-consuming and cumbersome. Thankfully, Bob's days of grappling with Excel are over, thanks to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. With Dynamics 365 Field Service, Bob's workflow has been revolutionized. No longer burdened by manual data entry, Bob now enjoys the convenience of a user-friendly mobile app that allows him to enter job information, update statuses, and access customer details on the go. Whether he's on site with a customer or on the road between jobs, Bob has everything he needs at his fingertips, right from his smartphone or tablet. And with built-in route optimization features, Bob can efficiently plan his daily schedule, minimizing travel time and maximizing productivity. Thanks to Dynamics 365 Field Service, Bob's job has become significantly easier and more efficient. With the mobile app simplifying data entry and streamlining his workflow, Bob can focus more on delivering exceptional service to his customers and less on tedious administrative tasks. And it's not just Bob who benefits. Dynamics 365 Field Service provides better data management, reducing the need for swivel chair integration and ensuring that accurate information flows seamlessly across departments. By enabling technicians like Bob to serve customers more efficiently and effectively, companies can experience exponential growth. With faster response times and improved service quality, businesses can attract and retain more customers, leading to increased revenue and market share. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service, empowering technicians to deliver exceptional service and drive substantial growth for organizations. Contact Velosio to see how we can optimize your team.